finally, project is ready, and it's a nice looking queen size bed with illuminating backlight, and there is supposed to be a backlight for this section. Okay, let me put everything on. So there's a backlight there that you can put it on or off. You can put your mattress on, but still, you can still see the lights down here. Very nice. The most important part of it all is that we have our connectors here that allow us to connect 3 USB devices. Yeah, and it was developed with iPhone in mind, so it can charge every iPhone device that you have. And we have another plug here. Yeah, this old-fashioned plug stuff. So you can plug your phone, any other thing, your laptop, any other thing. You can plug it here, so you can see, put it on, and you put it off. And all these lights that you see around here is being controlled by these 3 switches. So these 3 switches controls, this one's for the back, as you can see, is off, it's on, and this one is for the right side. So put it off, put it on. The other side, so this is the switch for the other side. Put it off, you can put it on, or you can put both off, or the third one too, but you want everything to be on. So this one controls the USB ports. And one fun thing about this project is that everything is recycled. You see, these are pallets that people use to what do you call it? People mostly use it for cooking and all that, but I'm making good use of it. There's a small LCD screen. Yeah, the backlight that you see there. It's a small LCD screen, so I have to make good use of it. So I use that section. And fortunately for me, these USB connectors that we see here were from the same LCD device. It was a laptop screen, so a PC screen. So we have to dismantle everything and remove all these things and make good use of it. And the switches here too were picked from another device. Yeah, mostly everything here is recycled with the exception of this thing here. And this one too was from a small what is it? Some small cardboard something. So I found it on the ground. So basically, everything that we see here, with the exception of the LED lights that I purchased, most of the wiring stuff, everything were picked from other devices. And the connection is one way or the other. I take back, still it works, so I will maintain it like that. And as you can see, this thing is not fitted on it, but I'm going to work on it to have a nice looking interface here. So basically, that's that. Yeah.